Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Hulu error code P-DEV320. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over and open up a browser, and then once you're inside here on the search bar, type in DOWNDETECTOR.com, and once it loads, tap on the first link that is shown to you. And now here what you need to do is check to see if the Hulu server is working properly or not. Sometimes if there are server issues, then that might be also the reason that you are having your problem. And if the server is working properly, then the next thing what you can do is just simply clear your browsing data. Now if you're using your Hulu from your browser, then on Chrome what you need to do is simply press in Ctrl Shift and delete. Once you do that, here you'll be seeing this pop-up right here. Now all you gotta do is just simply click on this and then select all time and then click on delete data right here. Now once that's done, the next thing that you can do is head over back and then check if you have the stronger Wi-Fi connection or not. Simply tap on your Wi-Fi notification here and then try switching over on the Wi-Fi and trying it again. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.